Where are we going today? Okay, it's November 3rd. Today we're gonna actually be doing something we haven't done all season yet. And you can probably guess what that is. It is, we're not popping wheelies today, and we're not going to ride in Connecticut. We are actually going to Massachusetts today. We're going to Wareham Motocross Track. I'm going with two of my buddies. I'm not sure if they've been on the channel yet, but they're barn built OGs. They've been. Got some fuel, baby. 93. Oh yeah, people. It is almost winter in Connecticut. Look at this major frost we got here. So I'm about to head up the street to my buddy Adam's house. He's driving a truck there, so we're headed up there now to meet up with him, and we're gonna go hit the track. We barn built motorsports. We love to do it all. You know, from wheelies to riding the track to anything. We respect it all. If you're one of those kind of motorcycle riders who just loves everything, leave a comment, something. I'd like to hear from you guys. Oh yeah, I think I forgot to mention what time it is. It's actually 7:30 right now. We're up pretty early on a Sunday trying to get to this track because it's like 3 hours away. We're gonna try and get there for opening time, which is 10 a.m. Sadly, we don't have any tracks in Connecticut anymore, so gotta go out of state. But that's the whole fun part of it, right? Little road trip over there. So we'll see you at the track. Oh, there he is. We got a phone call. Who is it? Okay, so we just got Dylan's bike. We are all locked and loaded here. We got all three bikes up in there. About to go meet up with our buddy Jake and hit the road. Okay, so we're still like an hour out here. We'll make it. Got the bikes loaded. We'll make it. Can't see Jake, but he's behind us somewhere. But yeah, we got Dylan over here. We got Addy, and we're in the big rig today. We got no tuners, no slammed cars. We're about to hit the track.
I'm telling you, it is.
Boys, we are headed to the trailer park.
Look at it, bro. One little private room.
Oh shit, bro, this is a cranberry.
Look at the fitty, bro.
Look at my man. So this place is pretty lit. There's a mini pit bike track. They're watering cranberries over there. Look at the little. So we're about to shed. Just got our bands here. We're about to go park up. Sick, bro. Got Dylan's bike over here looking good. Got the two smoker matching the cranberries. My bike about to tip the freak over. Pretty excited here. Little background, I haven't been to the track in about 4 years, but when probably like 2012 I used to go to the track. I'm not going to be going crazy. Obviously most of you guys know, or you might not, but I do work a regular job, so can't be out here going to Travis Pastrana, you know, Addy?
Survival of the fittest, based on his little trip to the Galapagos, no longer applies on this planet. We have a human race that is deadly.
Okay, so we've been riding all day. I am beat. It feels awesome to be back on the track. Definitely got a lot better within, like, you know, 2-3 motos. But it's about 4 o'clock. We're about to go out for the last moto of the day and then head home. But I got a bunch of footage of riding. Okay, so we just had a very good day at, where were we? So we just had a good day at Wareham Motocross Track. It's pretty sick. Located right next to a cranberry farm. Never seen that before, but let me tell you, today was very good. I am dead. My arms literally feel like jello. Motocross tracks, if you have or haven't ridden before, it is, beat your body up. It's tiring. There's freaking ruts everywhere. Whoops, speed bumps. It's pretty crazy. A little tired though.
A little tired.
Good day.
Definitely a good day.
The place is awesome, man. There were some people ripping today, man. Well, we had a rad day, like I already said. I hope everyone enjoys it. He probably thinks we're just wheelie boys, but no, we really like to ride everything. Stop right here. See you later, boss. Good first time here. Good. You have fun? Oh my God.